A clamp multimeter, also known as a clamp meter, is a specialized multimeter designed primarily to measure electrical current without direct contact. It does so by clamping around a conductor and detecting the magnetic field generated by the flowing current. Modern clamp meters can also measure voltage, resistance, and other parameters like traditional multimeters. Here's an in-depth look at its parts and settings. Parts of a clamp multimeter and their functions. Clamp jaws. Function. The defining feature of a clamp meter, these jaws measure the current in a conductor by sensing the magnetic field. Type of measurements. Alternating current, AC, measures via electromagnetic induction. Some models measure direct current, DC, using a Hall effect sensor. Operation. Open the jaws and clamp them around a single conductor, not the entire cable. Non-invasive, no direct contact with live wires. Not 2. Rotary selector dial. Function. Selects the desired measurement function and range. Settings. Current measurement A, ACA or DC AC. Voltage measurement V, AC VSAS or DC V squirt. Resistance ohm, measures resistance in ohms. Continuity, emits a beep if the circuit is closed. Frequency hertz, measures the frequency of an AC signal. Capacitance F, measures the capacitance of components. Diode test, checks the voltage drop across a diode. Some models may include advanced settings like inrush current, temperature, or true RMS. 3. LCD LED display. Function. Displays numerical readings of the selected measurement. Features. Units, A, V in hertz, etc. Indicators for low battery, hold function, and polarity. Some models display bar graphs or advanced metrics. 4. Test leads probes. Function. Connect to the multimeter for measuring voltage, resistance, and continuity. Parts, black lead, connected to the COM terminal for ground or negative connection. Red lead, connected to the appropriate terminal for positive input. Usage. Attach probes to measure electrical quantities other than current. 5. Input terminals. Function. Accept the connection of test leads for specific measurements. Common inputs for the common ground connection. Voltage resistance diode input, VR ohm or hertz, for measuring voltage, resistance, continuity, capacitance, and frequency. 6. Clamp opening trigger. Function. Opens and closes the clamp jaws. Operation. Press the trigger to open the jaws for clamping around a conductor. Release to secure the jaws in place around the conductor. 7. Hold button. Function. Freezes the displayed measurement for easier recording. 8. Max-min function button. Function. Captures and displays the maximum or minimum measurement during a session. 9. Zero function. Function. Used in DC current measurements to zero out any offset or residual readings caused by stray magnetic fields or sensor drift. 10. Backlight. Illuminates the display for readings in low-light environments. Operation. Activated via a dedicated button. 11. Range selector. Function. Switches between auto ranging and manual ranging modes for measurements. Auto mode automatically determines the best measurement range. Manual mode allows the user to specify the range for more precise readings. 12. Internal battery. Function. Powers the meter, especially for advanced functions like frequency and inrush current measurements. HOPTOT 13. Inrush current mode, optional. Function. Measures the peak surge current when equipment is powered on, common in motors and transformers. Functions of settings. 1. Current measurement. AC current A. Set the selector to the AC current mode. Clamp the jaws around a single conductor. The display shows the current flowing through the conductor. DC current A-to-where. If supported, set the selector to DC current mode. Zero out the clamp meter using the zero function. Clamp the jaws around the conductor for the reading. Voltage measurement. Switch to AC or DC voltage mode, VG or V-Searchy. Connect the test probes to the circuit. Ensure proper polarity for DC voltage. 3. Resistance measurement. Select the ohm mode, power off the circuit. Connect the probes to the component. Display shows the resistance. 4. Continuity test. Switch to the continuity mode, typically shared with resistance mode. Connect probes across the circuit. Listen for the beep indicating a complete circuit. 5. Frequency measurement. Set to the frequency mode, Hertz. Connect the probes or use the clamp on a conductor. The display shows the frequency. 6. Capacitance measurement. Select the capacitance mode. Connect the probes to the capacitor. Wait for the display to stabilize. 7. Diode test. Select the diode mode, triangle symbol with a line. Connect the probes to the diode terminals. The display shows the voltage drop or OL if reverse biased. 8. Inrush current measurement. Set to inrush mode if available. Clamp the meter around the live conductor. Turn on the equipment to measure the peak current. 9. Relative zero function. Use the zero function to eliminate background interference or set a baseline for relative measurements. Tips for proper usage. 1. Clamp placement. Only clamp around a single live conductor. If the jaws enclose multiple wires, the readings will be inaccurate. 2. Avoid overloading. Stay within the clamp meter's specified current range. Thank you for the enthusiasm. To subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications and never miss an update. To like the content if it's helpful or entertaining. To share it with friends, family, or communities who might enjoy it. Your consistent engagement drives success. Best of luck with your work.